Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard in your meetings in Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open and connect to your Microsoft Teams account using the Microsoft Teams desktop client, and then you will need just to follow these simple steps. So basically, to use a whiteboard, we will need to start a meeting. So now you need to go to the meeting or to the Teams menu or page here in your toolbars. So you click on the Teams, you search for the team that you want to start a meeting in, and you can also choose channels if you had multiple channels in your meeting. Then you go to the meeting, go here in this camera icon and click on this meet. When you click on it, it will start a meeting. You click join now and a meeting is being created now. So basically, this is the meeting panel or the meeting preview or window. And now to use the whiteboard, you will need to share your screen. So basically, we will need just to click on the share button here or icon. We click on it, and now we need to search for whiteboard. So basically, here if you go down, we will find Microsoft Whiteboard. You click on Microsoft Whiteboard and it will start our whiteboard. You click on new whiteboard and you can give permission to other people or the participants to edit, or you can just edit yourself. So I'm creating the whiteboard. Let's just have it big. So basically you can add text, for example, hello everyone. You can add sticky notes, so they will be here as you can see. Note 1. You can add images, drawing, start drawing. Let's just go here. You can start drawing, for example, in the whiteboard. If you want to explain something that is visual or it needs some more explanation, you can zoom your whiteboard and people will start to see everything here. You can add reaction. So you will have it like that. If someone were editing and you were mute and you want to uh, improve or to prove some reactions, you can add shapes to your whiteboard. You can do multiple things and feature here using the whiteboard. You can add like a document, so you can start edit on it here in your whiteboard, and you can start drawing on it or using some crayon tools, etc. So you can have more explanation in your meeting. So basically, that was the overview and how to use the whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and see you next time.